This is the CPE 329 Project 3 demo, beginning with just a DC waveform here at 1 volt offset. You can see that our terminal shows that the DC offset is approximately 1000 millivolts, DC voltage as well, approximately 1000 millivolts, and then the calculated RMS and peak to peak at nearly 0 volts. And as we change the DC offset here, the DC voltage bar graph also increases accordingly. Now we can change the waveform to a triangular waveform. And so now you see our peak-to-peak voltage is approximately 1.2 volts, and the RMS is 1.27. Frequency is 880 hertz, and the AC RMS is 322 millivolts. So we can go back to our terminal and cross-check those values, and you see that they correspond accordingly, and the calculated RMS bar graph is now activated. We can iterate to our next waveform, which will be the square. And so now with the frequency still at 880, peak to peak is the same, RMS the same, and AC values we can cross-check with our terminal. We see that those values correspond as well to the values showed on the scope. So you see our terminal here displays the voltages and the frequency. Here are the voltages of our waveform, as you can see on the scope. Frequency is 1 kilohertz, and so you see right here we're just one off of 1 kilohertz. We'll change frequency now to 800 hertz. Terminal updates to 800 or 797 hertz, 808 hertz. So approximately 800 hertz as it adjusts there. Now it's settled. We will now adjust to 500 hertz. And as the terminal settles down, you see here that's approximately 500 hertz reading on our terminal. Voltages have not changed. We'll now show 200 hertz. Approximately 200 hertz on the terminal.
We could try something more like
98 hertz. You see our terminal reads exactly 98 hertz, and lastly we'll just show a smaller value like 50 hertz, maybe 52 or something. I don't know, or 50 is fine. Terminal updates, 52 hertz. We forgot to show the voltages changing, so here's the terminal. Here are the corresponding values on the scope. And as we change the amplitude now, and these voltages shift, we see the voltages also shift here, and you see the calculated RMS bar graph increase as well with that shift of the RMS voltage. And you see the voltages update accordingly. And so here are the terminal values and their corresponding values on the scope. Thanks for watching.